This video that you're about to see got something like 50 million views and hit the front page of Reddit, of 9gag. It went viral in family WhatsApp groups, all because of the expose of what goes on behind the scenes in terms of products that you see in a typical grocery store. It shows how big food companies lie to us and induce us to buy things that are labeled as healthy but are actually so wrong for your body. Okay, check this one out. This drink, okay? They put a sportsman on the cover.
Start your day the champion way.
It's marketed as something that actually makes you healthy. Now look at the ingredients. It is 9.3 grams of sugar for every 20 grams. This is 40% sugar. It's literally this much sugar. But again, promoted as a health drink. I want to play for you this video.
Time to beat energy gap.
This ad that you're about to see has been called by Dr. Mark Hyman, one of America's top doctors, as one of the most insidious, untruthful, blatant corruptions of advertising, where Nestle tells Filipino moms and dads
4 out of 5 kids have it.
a bullshit invented disease, and that to cure energy gaps, you feed them this shit, which is primarily 40% sugar. Yes, cure your kids by giving them a sugar spike. Now the breakfast aisle, everything from Bovril to jams to preserves. How is this in the breakfast aisle? This is essentially chocolate. Nutella and Ferrero Rocher have been sued for portraying chocolate as breakfast. But worse than that, this isn't even real chocolate. This is primarily palm oil. Serving size 15 grams, 8.4 grams of sugar. This has more sugar than anything else per serving. Companies like this are often coming up with new ways to label sugar. This is actually a phenomenon. The British Heart Association has made a chart so you can be aware of all the different names for sugar that companies put on their packaging to confuse you. Now let's talk about fake health labeling. Companies know that you're getting more conscious of sugar. This is Sunkist, 100% orange juice, so they say no sugar added. Observe the price, $10.66, right? Now this apparently is the lower grade option, okay, $5.83. The no sugar added is double the price. And if you actually look at total sugars per serving, it's 22.5 grams. You look at the one that's cheaper, it's actually 21.3 grams of sugar. Their no sugar added option actually has more sugar. So if you found that video interesting, what I want you to do is check out this free masterclass with Eric Edmeades. Eric Edmeades is the health transformation expert who transformed my health. And in this masterclass, which I filmed with him, you're going to learn some of the most important things you can do to completely change your relationship with food so your health transforms. And I'm not just talking about losing weight, I'm talking about transforming your relationship with food to such a degree that you have higher energy, your skin is more radiant, your brain is functioning better, and it's all about unhypnotizing yourself from the sheer amount of bullshit that food companies are providing you. Check out this masterclass because it's going to be eye-opening. One of the biggest things that you're going to learn is how that our biology actually has 6 different ways of expressing hunger. But we misinterpret these readings. And then you're going to learn exactly what are some of the first steps you can do to transform the way your body functions with food so that you only crave the things which are healthy for you and you're instantly able to resist things that are bad for you. Check out the masterclass. The link is in the description.